How to enable two-factor authentication on X or Twitter account. Let's get started. Launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to this one option given at the bottom right corner. Now at the top right corner, you're going to find the settings icon. Click on that. Once you're in the settings page here, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of security and account access. Click on the option of security. Now click on the option of two-factor authentication. Now from here you can easily enable two-factor authentication. If you enable for this option of text message, you'll be receiving code in your phone number that is linked with your X account. Likewise, if you enable for this option of authentication app, you'll be receiving code in the Authenticator app that is linked with your X account. Likewise, if you enable for this option of security key, you'll be receiving code in the computer that syncs with your account. So this way you can easily enable two-factor authentication on X or Twitter account. That's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.